So welcome guys, let's be ready for open the loan position. Let's be ready for open the loan. For the people in Telegram, I did a loan position in the same point here yesterday for 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 the Tokyo session, 122 pips. That was great. Waiting the retracement, guys. Waiting the retracement. At least 29. Let's see. At least 37, 37.26. If not, around 37.50, we will prepare the sell position. Okay. So let's see the reactions here. Let me check the information. Clarify my order here. Let's see. 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours looks so strong. 4 hours candle. But well, depends. Depends. Preparing a long position. Gold. I'm preparing a long position. Um, Nasdaq. Okay, perfect. The retracement is there. So we need a little accumulation near to the point. We just touched the, well, let me clean this. Around 37.26, 37.25, inclusive 37.24 could be a good point. Okay. Kerjan, welcome, my friend. So, welcome, guys. Welcome. Let me read the chat. Uh, Kerjan is here. Marsilio Cassiano is here. Maurice is here. Okay. Let's wait the. Remember, I need that little consolidation. At least 2 candles, 3 candles. Okay, the reaction is there near to the 37.27. Let's see. Let's expect they would give us a good retracement. Remember, today we got this a lot of news. A lot of news. So many information into the market. Now it's testing the point. But remember, waiting a little more. 1 candle more, 2 candles more. For clarify better the position. Okay. Get ready. Let's see what we have. 37.24. 37.25. That's a better best point. Trying to test the position there. Waiting, guys. Remember, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. One candle more. Looks like the price will wants to stay there. 37.25 could be the best position. Lower prices there. But let's see. Just one candle more. Forget the consolidation in 1 minute. Okay, the price is going back. 37.26. 37.25. That would be our point. Let's continue with the entry. I'm in a long position now. I'm in a long position now. Take your own risk and control the lot size. Control the lot size, please. Control the lot size. Okay. $37.26. 37.25. That would be our great points for open the position. So now I'm into the position. $37, 90, 27, 21. That 90 is the stop. 37, 21, that 90. 37, 21, that 90. Perfect. Then they work into the DPS. 37, 29, 30, 2, 37, 33, 3, 37, 36, 40 p.m., 37:40. I'm into a long position. Yeah, 41, it's okay. Price looks like with a little reaction, so that's great. Go on. Okay, this one is 30. And this one is for 33. This one is for 36. So now, um, Every one of this point could be the positive. So well, but let's see. Take care. Remember, at this moment, with today was a full of news, so everything can happen. So well, let's see the reactions there. The price is steering to the point of entry around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, 6 minutes there. So enough time to the people just take the position and take the risk, of course. Yesterday was a pretty bad day. Today, let's see what we have. I'm trying to recover the for the people in Telegram in Tokyo session. That's great. That's very full take profit in Tokyo session. Let's see if we can make the full take profit here. Well, okay. Andre Dublin, yes, was difficult day yesterday. And well, that things happens, guys. That things happen. I would say we have the possibilities now is around at least to touch the TP2 is around 80%. TP3 is around 70%. So well, it depends for the this candle basically. So well, hard reactions for sellers at this point. Testing the point of entry 37.25 with a massive candle for sellers. Let's see the reaction there. Again, if you open the position there or near to the point of entry, getting a better position, don't change the stop loss. The stop loss there is for one reason 37.21, that 90 is the stop loss. Okay, so don't change the stop loss. Even if you have a better position, don't change the stop loss. 37.21, that 90. So well, back to the point of entry. Last 8 minutes. Let's see. And testing lower prices to 37.24. Let's see the reaction. Hmm. Going back to 37.23. Our last point of reaction is near to the 37.23. Yes, here. So it's a must to the price to stay there. The buyers defend the point. Good reaction. Pretty good reaction. Stay there, retesting lower prices. Some reactions for buyers, but well, we need more, of course. Yeah, that is not enough. That is not enough. So we'll retest for the 37.24. Testing the point of entry. Remember, if you don't like the trade, if you don't like the position, if you feel very stressful, when the price is there into the point of entry, you can take your decisions, your own decisions, to continue or just hold. The ones who understand this is always trading as a risk, you can hold with me. Okay, 37.25. Stay there, holding the same position. TP1 it's now, guys. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. So share your profits. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys. road to TP2. Let's road to TP2. TP2 it's now. 72 pips. Now you can make some partial. Um, Break even. It's now, guys. Break even. Break even. Break even. Break even. It's now. Break even. Break even, please. Player break even. Break even, guys. Break even, please. Be clear of that. Break even. Break even. Take some partials now. Break even. It's now. I increased the TPS today because for the losses of yesterday. So given the opportunity. Ya voy, mi amor. Está bien, ya voy. So well, TP. I increased the TPS for the bad day yesterday. I increased the TPS a little more. So 72 pips. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits. I increased the TPS because of the losses of yesterday for recovery some money for my loyal people here in YouTube. So that's great. Nice entry. Nice entry, guys. So well, $94, 400 USDT. That's nice, my friend. 150, $600. Ameng is recovering. That's nice. Be careful, guys. Looks like bearish. $48. That's great, my friend. See, boy. $50. That's great, Cappy. $60. That's nice. Remember, we're in break even with partials, guys. We're break even and partial. How's the tool called? You use this a tool. This is the Gambox. The Gambox, my friend. $190. That's great. $80, $87. Remember, guys, we're in break even. We're in break even in this accumulation. The price was the price break this on the TP1 really nice. So well, we need to expect a good reaction near to the 37.27 in order to continue for the TP3. Okay. Elements, thanks, my friend. Thanks for this. Can I still enter? No, my friend. Thanks for the trade, sir. It's a pleasure. The trade was there for more than 50 minutes, guys. If I count the candles where when I was into the point of entry was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 30 minutes. This trade stayed there for 30 minutes for provide us 72 pips. If you don't take that decision in this those 30 minutes, it's not the it's not my fault, guys. Just me, smart, perfect, my friend. Thanks God you take the entry there, my friend. Thanks for that. The entry, well, beautiful day. I recover the losses for yesterday. Full take profit in Tokyo. And this one, 72 pips, still counting, still there, break even, holding the position, holding the position, holding the position, guys. 72 pips with not too much risk. And well, guys, by my side, I'm going to eat and back, okay? Going to eat my breakfast and back. So well, guys, tip it three: share your profits. Share your profits. Okay, let's hold. Let's hold, guys. Who is holding? 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 Oh, it's trying to go up. So, however, I need to change here. Remember, I update my TP for the TP, and now it's in the TP1. Well, nice trade, guys. Nice trade. Thanks for the ones who come here again, even for the bad day yesterday. Um, well, this is trading, guys. Today I made around 200, 220, 230 pips in Telegram for the people there. We give them the opportunity to the position. So, well, um, that's great. That's great, guys. take some partials. D-Shop, $783. That's great, my friend. Sharp rejection. Yes, the rejection is normal. The thing is, we have here around 37, 40 Selson. So probably for that reason we are seeing that reaction. That reaction. So that's great. Let's see. Probably it will hit the break even. So well, guys, remember if you want to clarify what is the best option for you for take any prop firm, just go into the propermatch.com and there you will see the most important information about many many prop firms, basically the most trustable prop firms into the market. You will see that information there. Just click the information into the link and you will see into the chat, into the chat, and you will see what is the best option for you. Of course, if you use the link, you will receive the best offers and the best discounts for today, guys. Just go into the propermatch.com and clarify your questions, reading the reviews, reading the comments. Remember, this proper match is a pure project for always rate the most trustable prop firms. See what is the best prop firm for you. Of course, just before to open a challenge, just read the uh, the the comments and the reviews, guys. Okay. So always is a pleasure. Always is a pleasure to go there into the proper match. Beautiful information. Just click the link into the chat, guys. And well, hard reaction near to my B. Um, well, thanks God, many people here can recover from the bad day, get profits. Osman, $60. That's great. $15 to Damani, $15. That's great. That's beautiful. $23. Remember, today we got this volatility generated for the high impact news. So, so yes, doing yes. For example, I was just holding the 20% of my trade. Now probably it would hit the B. Well, that was okay. I get $150. That's great, my friend. Beautiful. Beautiful. So well, let's update the chart. Um, so the B is taken, guys. The B is taken. So that's all for the position. That's all for the position. So let's add more pips here in a long position plus 102 pips. 30, 68. Okay, guys. So, what time is you're going to leave? Just active the notification, my friend. Active the notifications. So, 102 pips in positive. Congratulations for the people who take the entry on time and get the position. That's great. Guys, just be clear the Telegram is not for free. So 1 year subscription for $79. $79, guys. Unfortunately, hard reaction into the 0.5. Well, okay, this guy is for. Okay, yes. Good reaction into the 0.5. So well, you explain the payment methods for Telegram. Is that different with Discord? Sander Summer, yes. Discord, for example, is just like a room for where when we discuss the information about the everything. For example, I share here the points. For example, I would try the position 37.29. Then the confirmation is there. So the candle of new. Okay, so I give the points 37.25, 37.23. General questions about the information. Well, the profits, of course, profits of some of the members there. 37, $370.50 for today. Well, of course, the into the New York session, sorry, into the Tokyo session, and explain like the points again. 37.29 for open the loan, and this is the thing. And in Discord, you will see the pre-recorded videos. The tool what I use for AI, for the artificial intelligence, for get the entries. It's very supportive into the. It's a free tool what I provide into the Discord. Of course, the pre-recorded videos about the strategy and well, different things in Discord. Telegram is just the entries. For example, the trade of Tokyo session, preparing a long position, the point of entry, the full TP. I was sleeping. It touched the full TP, so that's beautiful. When I wake up, and then just preparing the long position, the order for the entries, and of course the targets. I explain here what I increase the targets for the session of yesterday, and I give some orders to continue with the trade. Now probably most of the people there just close the entry because my B was in TP1. Uh, so yes, But Telegram, as I'm explaining here, it's just for signals. It's just for signals. You can make questions there. Nothing Discord. You can make questions. I will clarify all the positions. We'll You can see the pre-recorded videos, everything there. So yes. Well, of course, the support is not for free. The support is not for free. Um, well, you can go there, click the link. It's a 1 year subscription for $79. The monthly subscriptions disappear, so probably the next month the yearly subscriptions will disappear. I'm just going to continue with the lifetime because I'm really bad with the dates and everything. So yes, probably the next month we will change just the lifetime subscription, and that's it. And I forget to to follow the Summer Summer. Yes, my friend, $79, 1 year subscription. It means it's the whole year. If you pay today, you will pay the next year. Okay, in the same date, but the next year, summer. So, well, guys, unfortunately, the break even was taken and the price will continue up. For that reason, I'm waiting. I'm say here for Telegram. Telegram is I'm going to say in Tokyo session. It's an exclusive service for Telegram, and as you can see here, the sessions what I have this week, two full take profits in Tokyo. So that was great. That was a great week for for Tokyo. Two full take profits. So great. For New York session, it's the same. For this week, we try three ocho eight entries, three stop loss of 39 pips. But as you can see, the wins here, it's more than the double for these stop hits. So it's a really nice week. Really nice week. I'm still holding low. Perfect, my friend Sommer. That's great. Top dog, my friend. Yes, I know some people is sleeping in Tokyo, you know. But I'm now for example, people near to Japan. For example, in Sydney, the people in Australia, the people in India, for example, they can take the entries there. But for someone for United Kingdom, I know it's early. But the people for United States, I think they have the same hour than me, so it's okay. You know, it's in the night, not that much. Just for the people in Europe, probably Tokyo, it's a little difficult. But, but sometimes it's a good idea to stay there in Tokyo. And well, if not New York session, I was preparing a a long position in Nasdaq. Uh, it continues with the up pressure. That's great. No, my friend, it's not a good idea. The price is still defending the 37.29, 37.29. So that was nice. But the high volatility was so hard. So well, let's see the reaction. I'm waiting the 1 hour candle to end the 1 hour candle to see what happened. Kerjam, I already explained I shared the analysis in Discord, explaining like the retracement didn't touch the 0.5, and for that reason, we didn't take the entry there. It's difficult, you know. Data retraining. Ujú. Tiene excelentes análisis, maestro Vidal. Gracias, mi amigo. Gracias. Bueno, this is an accumulation. The price will stay there probably. Um, well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened in the next 15 minutes. By my side, guys, I know many people was affected yesterday for the entries. For that reason, we have less people here. I received many hate yesterday. Well, that things happen. Well, they're not probably some days I'm going to lose. I can win. I can win the all the trades. I can win all the trades and try to provide the best service what I can. Well, hopefully, many people here with this trade um, can recover some money. I really appreciate. I was really worried about the trades of yesterday. The trade for yesterday was difficult to assimilate. Like um, many people is losing money for your decisions. Sometimes it's difficult to understand that. Not that my side, because by my side, I have I don't want to sound pretentious or creído. I don't know how to say that word, but well, I have the enough money to touch two stop loss with no issues. But I was worried about the community. Uh, well, my way to give them the apologies. My well was the trade in Tokyo, of course, and explain like I will recover in Tokyo, full take profit, and the last trade for around 102 pips. I increased the targets to the TP1 because I know some people just close the trades in TP1 for 42 pips. At least they recover one stop. And the others who hold the trade at least to 70 pips recover. Um, and well, that's okay. That's okay, by by the channel. The most loyal people here come here. The ones who just go back and um, came here yesterday and just see the stops. Probably they will never come back, so that's okay. Because the loyal people are still here into the chat. The uh, the supporters still there, so I'm okay with that. So well, it was a good session. It was a good session. My nowadays my strategy looks like really really simple. Um, but it's difficult. It's difficult sometimes. I need to clarify many positions. I need to see many possibilities to take the entry. For example, when I was reporting the long position, many people was like, "No, it's a sell. It's a sell." Of course, if you read many comments like "It's a sell. It's a sell," your brain start like sell, like sell, right? But well, most of the time I'm not going to follow that comments. Well, most of the time I'm going to win some pips if I take my own decision. Um, that's just really important. That's really important for clarify position. Something what I explain into the Discord. And well, yesterday was so quiet. Yesterday was so quiet in Discord for that reason, because when I touch to a stop loss, I need to stop, take a break for some hours, and then just come back. You know, then just come back and clarify positions, and that's all. Something what it helped me a lot. It's talk with the tool what I provide into the Discord, DA stock analysis. Uh, Now I would say I was testing this tool for 4 months, and the first 2 months is not like that good, and the other 2 months give us the the results what we are seeing here. So my process is pretty simple. Just I I follow my strategy. Then I'm going to clarify the positions with the EA, and that's it. And we take the entry. As simple as that. All the members into the Discord have that option for free. So hopefully the people there is using that tool. Well, do you trade silver? No, my friend. Sometimes yes, but um, nowadays I'm not using that much silver. Why? Because my strategy sometimes didn't work with the with the silver. Entry goal or not? So well, basically we have got the nice candle with volume. Nice candle with volume. So we can try. We can try an entry near to the 30. But well, it depends just if the market goes back or not. can try the entry there. So, well, let's see. So, do you trade silver? Please tell the sell point. The sell point it's around 37.48. Any chance to re-entry? That's what we are looking for. Ivan W, your win rate, your risk ratio, it's impressive. 45 pips. Stop loss, my and hide rewards. Yes, that's the idea, my friend. That's the idea. You know, I know the other people in YouTube use around 60, 70 stop loss, but I don't like it. I don't like it to use that much. The win rate is, I would say, it is around 70%, something like this. I know I win more than I lose. That's the only thing what I know. But but yes. Some guys use 90 pips stop loss. This is scary. Yes. Uh, some 100 pips in stop loss. Other people don't use a stop loss. And well, it's their decisions. If they're not going to respect their accounts, that's by my side. I would say 40 pips, inclusive 50 pips, could be a good stop loss. But more than that, I think it's too much. It's too much. Okay, let's see. So well, let's wait this. Well, I think unfortunately, I think we are not going to see the retracement, guys. I think someone was holding. Someone I read someone was holding the last trade. So that was great. Well, let's see. Let's see what happened. How do you always wait the stop loss to hit or the bids to be reached? Don't play around with it. Yes, exactly. Some people just wait. The accounts, but well, it's their decisions for 10,000. No, this is not 10,000. Yes, for 10,000 account, how big the load size? For 10,000, you can use um, 0.60, 0.50 with no issues, you know? But just one trade per entry. Yes, unfortunately, was massive, was massive. The Sander, dear, it was holding. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Hola, Mena, ¿cómo estás? Oh, I'm dumb. The red candle touched my break even, and for that reason, I'm not holding. So now it's my last the full TP was around 37.41. So probably it will hit the target. So now it's touching the target, the last target. The full TP was in 30 with 37.41. That was the full TP of the last trade. So well, for Sander, there just you can close the position there. But just change your B around 37, 35. That's an option. That's technically good trade. Just Japanese and dollar going in the smoothness. Yes, unfortunately, that candle gives us the position. I saw some people wants to open a sell position, guys. But well, uh, but well, that's the reality, guys. That's the reality. Well, beautiful, beautiful day for the buyers. Sand there. It's a pleasure. Thanks God. You hold your position. Cappy is the same. Cappy uh, got the full take profit. Now with the to be honest, the Samsung it's so far. It's around 37.46 here. Here's the Samsung. Here is the Samsung. Well, guys, my idea this week is just to open the loan near to the 37.33. So well at this point it will test the today $10 listen music to 110. Excellent, my friend. That's beautiful. Let's start with a sell in 31. No reason to open a sell a sell position marquee into a volume buy some. I was checking YouTube, I was seeing, many traders, many traders open a sell position. Um, well, that is the reason for by my side. I never hold any guys into the other traders, for example. Some guy was asking, about the Telegram channels and everything. But well, I not follow that guys ever. I learn in a difficult way. So well, guys, remember if you want to get the best discount, the best information, and the best promo codes, just go into the link for the propermatch.com and you will see the information about the what is the best prop firm, what is the most trustable prop firm into your country, what is the best experience for the best environment into the market. Just go into the propermatch.com, read the comments, and see the information there. Okay, before you apply for a challenge, just go into the propermatch.com, and there you will see the best promo codes and the best information. Okay, so make me a favor, click into the link and see the information. The link is into the chat, guys. So well, how to convert any entry? If I use the candle patterns, Debbie, and use the candle patterns. How maybe goes to the downside back to support? Marquee, probably yes, probably yes. but not sure. To be honest, no reason to hold the trade more than 100 pips. No reason to hold that that positions for Leticia García. Estoy aquí en Tokio y New York Session. Bueno, Tokio solo para la gente de Telegram, para los de YouTube. eh, YouTube. I'm here just in New York session. Just active the notifications and you will see when I'm going to be in. Will drop a setup for sales? No, my friend. Marcelo Cassiano, my friend, hopefully you recover today. Some money. That would be great. That would be great. From Philippines. That's beautiful. That's really, really nice. So, well, guys, I know yesterday was a really difficult day for many people, including me. I take a break for some hours, then come back, provide a full TP in Tokyo session for the people in Telegram, and provide 100 pips here for the people in general in YouTube. I mean, into the Discord. So hopefully, most of the people can recover some money. That's the only thing when I worry when I lose. Like I'm start thinking like how many people is washing their accounts for not use a stop loss or for hold negative positions. Well, today was a beautiful day. Thanks God. So so well, it's nice. It's nice when the people recover money and just they come back. I appreciate the people who always come here, even if I lose. I know just staying here just when I win because I know most of the time I'm going to win the trade. I'm trying to make it easy, but I know it's difficult. I know it's difficult for for clarify all the position. So you hold a tank it, sack. The thing what I understand is you're holding a negative or you're holding a positive. Sorry. Can we buy this position now? No, my friend. It's not time to open a long position. Let's see. Here comes to me. Tonight. Thanks, Laurito. $60 winning today. That's beautiful. I hold my buy position and close it when I get a retracement. You're perfect, my friend. That's great. That's great. But are you holding in positive or in negative? Sorry for the question. With your knowledge, you can get $1 million by trading. That's my dream. I'm too far to get a $1 million. Um. So, but well, I think the good thing is I have my house, I have my car, I have my family, I have my other business. I think $1 million, $1 million is too much, but probably one day We take $1 million in my wallet. For more than 5 years, my friend. Historic moments, I already told you, around 70%, 75%. I win more than than the losers. My room is that room. This is my office, you know. I have my office in my house. Sorry, guys. I'm trading only with the 1000. And yes, the market yesterday was abnormal. The move is like the old days anymore. Yes, that's difficult, you know. That's difficult, and it's something what I didn't explain you guys. I always test my all the possibilities. I always test all the possibilities with the AI. And well, all the possibilities give me the entries, and that entries didn't confirm, you know. So well, the possibilities today was the same. We got a beautiful trade in Tokyo. We got a beautiful trade in in New York session. Now it's going back again. So hard. So well, guys, by my side, that's all. That's all, guys. Thanks for being here. Remember, if you want more entries by Telegram, $79, 1 year subscription. Well, beautiful, beautiful days are coming. I know. So thanks for always being here. Thanks for always the good vibes, the good comments, everything, everything, everything. And well, remember, if you want to use a very nice broker, BT Markets is there with the promotion. You can use the link. You can use the link. Thanks for the bad comments. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the dislikes. Thanks for the bad comments. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the people who always stay here, even if it's a bad day, even if it's a bad week. Always here. Thanks for always being here. What is the final analysis for gold? I would think it will test the 37.25 again. Callisto FX. Lot size insane, bro. 5 for 10 lots. Size for $1,000. It's the same. It's the same. For that reason, I always explain you guys. Um, you can follow that people. You know, you can follow that people. It's up to you. But is this those traits is out of the reality. You know, totally out of the reality. Probably it will give you the the growing expectations, you know, the growing expectations for something what is not trading, because you don't have the capital to use 5 lots, for example. I don't have the capital to use 5 lots. I don't have the the use 10 lots. Okay, So for that reason, always you need to take care when you are following that type of people, because they're trading and the trades are out of your reality. Probably is their reality. Señor pájaro no se tiene, amor. Mamá lo tiene. Amor, papá está trabajando, mi vida. Puedes llevarte el carrito, está bien. Vaya, llévese los juguetes, está bien. Mi amor, yo sé que quieres jugar, pero papá está trabajando. Ya va a terminar papá. Puedes llevarte los juguetes afuera. Sí, eso, lléveselos. Está bien, pero papá está trabajando. Vaya. Sí, mi amor, vaya. Vaya. Cuidado con la cabeza. Eso. Vaya. Arriba. Vaya. So, well, yes, this is the reality. You need to focus on yourself. Of course, your account is not able to take the positions in one 10 lots, for example. So always focus in your trades, guys, in your trades, in your strategies, because some people use that type of strategies to generate, higher expectations. Um, but that's not the reality. That's not the reality. Always you need to be focused here. Yes, that was my daughter. She wants to play here, but she just took some toys and go out. She knows at this hour I'm ending my job, so for that reason she comes here for for see what happened. Thanks for your good comments, guys. Thanks for your good comments. Hi, Pines. He's showing snow as always. No high pins. I follow in 3 months and always asking to join BIP. He's been given son and answer surplus. Mm, who? Lutanfe. Let me see. Lutanfe. Exactly. Most of the people can't follow, the 10 pips, 5 pips. Sorry, 5 lots, 10 lots. Um, exactly. That's the reason, The expectations there is so high, guys. That is my point. If you are going to follow, try to understand. You need to be focused. Um, um, in your accounts, because it's impossible, for you to like start thinking you're going to use 10 lots, 5 lots, and well, that things it's difficult and generate expectations. Here we are not talking about if he is profitable or not. Here we are talking about the expectations, what is what is generating in your in your accounts. You need to take care of that because, of course, showing that blue numbers, showing that accounts, it's for generate that expectations, as simple as that. And that expectation is not according to your reality, guys. So be clear of that. Be clear of that. Um, for that reason, in this channel, we are trying to do indifferent. When I ask the profit, some people share the profits $10, $50, and it's a must to stay happy. Because that's the reality for most of us. Probably in your countries, $50 is too much, or $100 is too much, and that's okay. Just you need to focus in that profits and now start thinking like, I need the $1 million now, because that's not true. Probably it will never happen, and that's the reality. Probably 99% of the people here, including me, uh, we are not we're not having the $1 million, in our wallets. So that's the reality. That's the reality. Uh, um, uh, and well, you need to understand, to understand the focus, uh, in your accounts, not in the profits of the if the trader in front of you, or the profits for the people into the chat. Always focus into into your own accounts and your own experience. So yes. that's the that's the reality, guys. The money, I think the money is over intelligent too. How, in which country you belong to? How you're which country? I understand that question. Saludos de España, su nuevo será su tiempo y tu trabajo, brother. ¿Cuándo empiezan los streams? Normalmente, eh, en New York. New York, y para Telegram, solo Tokio para Telegram, y aquí en New York Session. Yes, the money it's there. It's our team. Well, the other thing is, guys, is I'm not following any trader. I just following myself. And that's all. That's all. I used to follow. I remember when I lose $1,200 in 5 minutes for follow one trader in YouTube. Was awful. Was awful. I'm type of person like I learn in the first. If something wrong happened to me, I'm not going to repeat it. So I understand the people who come here yesterday and lose money and I never come back. I understand, and that's totally valid. You know. Con gusto, mi amigo. Hammond. Yes, when the next trade. The next trade is done. The session is done, my friend. Now we are just talking about the general questions, and that's all. Sure, just contact me by WhatsApp. Just contact me by WhatsApp. No, Black TV, YouTube, Black YouTube. No. Vince Alfred, thanks, my friend. I use BT Markets, perfect. Minimum deposit in BT Markets is 200 for a CFD Telegram. Yesterday I touched two stop loss. Alright. Okay, roller coaster. But I'm able to make extra money for following your trades. Yes, you can make extra money, my friend. Yes, I'm always going to stay here. If I lose, I'm going to stay here. If I win, I'm going to stay here. That's all. The stop loss always it's around 40 pips. No more than 40 pips. Osman,